Welcome to the August Diaries. In this episode, I'm going to be planning my zone work for the week. One of the things my young homemakers have been asking is how do I keep myself organized? And one of the ways that I'm trying to do a much better job of staying organized is to more efficiently use my planner. And I find that when I've got it in my planner, it gets done. So my zone work for this week is Zone 1, which is the dining room, the front porch, the entryway, and it can be the back patio. But I'm going to be focusing on the front porch this week. So let me show you how I put things in my calendar, and then we'll see what's what. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. So this week we are in Zone 1, so my focus is going to be the porch and the entryway. And then Monday is always the weekly home blessing. Tuesday is free day. Wednesday is my desk day or plan day. And I clean my fridge and order my groceries. Thursday is errand day, where I pick up my groceries, get my hair done. And then Friday is car and purse day. Saturday is family. And Sunday is renew your spirit or church. So the first task I want to tackle in Zone 1 is to clean off those spider webs on the doorbell. And then Tuesday is my free day, so I'm not going to put anything for there. But on Wednesday, I want to sweep the porch. Thursday, I want to vacuum the landing. And on Friday, I'll dust pictures in the hall. This doorbell always collects spider webs. Sometimes I feel like I've got Charlotte's web living right here and the spider living inside my Ring doorbell. And then it collects all these little beetle things. I'm not sure what they are. I'll bring you up a little closer so that you can see them. And then they get like down inside here, inside the door. So I'll be taking care of that today. Look at that. I hope I got the spider out. I'm gonna try to get those bugs up. Oh! Look at that. Okay, honey, you're gonna have to do this. Oh gosh, you're gonna have to do that.
Nope.
Well, why can't you do it?
Yeah, I can do it the other day.
Okay, that is just entirely too nasty. My husband's going to have to do that. I cannot get, it was just too nasty. So he's going to take care of that. And then once he gets those bugs out, I'll get the door cleaned off. Or rather, I'll clean the window.
Takes a man to do this job.
I guess it does. As many spider webs are out here, you would think I had not done this before, but I have. But I will admit I have not done it for at least a month or two. If any of you have any advice on how I can get rid of spiders around the door, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear about it. And then all those bugs that were down inside the door, I think the light, the porch light, attracts them, and they get stuck down in that door, and then they can't get out. I found another area of nastiness that I need to address, so I think I'll put another task on the list for the week. But this doorstop here needs to be cleaned off, but that wasn't part of my 15-minute task for today. And yes, I know I'm a wimp, but I am just sorry I'm a wimp. I am going to spray this area here with this Aunt Fanny's Ant Remedy. It's supposed to be environmentally friendly, and we'll just see if that can take care of the spiders and things that gets in there. It smells pretty good, so we'll see if that works. So this wraps up my 15-minute task for today, and then tomorrow I'm going to come out and I will finish sweeping down the rest of the cobwebs on the porch, because there are more, but I've got another appointment and I need to get to that. So this is my task for today, Zone 1, Day 1. Well, it's day 2 on my zone cleaning, and I am working in Zone 1. And yesterday's task was to clean the spider webs off of the door. Today's task will be to sweep down the ceiling and then all of the walls to get all the spider webs off of that. And if there's time, then I'll sweep the porch. Let's get it started. I am always amazed at how many spider webs I can collect on this porch. Well, that took a good 30 minutes, so it definitely took longer than the 15 minutes I had allotted myself. But what I had forgotten was that often I will do like this end of the porch as one unit. So that was what I did today. I got all the cobwebs down on this end of the porch, got the ceiling and all of that swept down, and all around the bottom, got the plant watered and trimmed up, and this end of the porch is looking pretty good. So that means that tomorrow I will do that end of the porch. I'll get that end of the porch, the cobwebs swept down, and it doesn't look like there's as many, and then just sweep the porch itself. So I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Zone 1 cleaning. Well, this is the third day of my Zone 1 cleaning front porch. I spent 2 units yesterday, so I've only got 1 unit of time to spend today, and it's just going to be sweeping down this end of the porch and sweeping down the walls, and there's not too much there to do. At least it doesn't look like that right now. It's also just a little overcast today, and it might start to rain, so if it does, I may be scurrying inside a little bit sooner than expected. So let's get it started. I swear, sometimes I feel like we've got Charlotte's Web, because there's just little spider thingies all over the porch. I guess there was more here than I thought. These windows are looking like they could use a little bit of attention, but that is not the task for today. I see you, and I have a plan for you, and it is not today. Now that part is done, so now all I need to do is just sweep the porch, and my 4 tasks for this week of Zone 1 cleaning will be done. There's even spider webs on this. Ugh. Well, I've got things done and just in time. The rain's about to come, so I'm going to be getting inside. If you want to see more of my August Diaries, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my August Diaries, and I will see you next time.